He. 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 Pronounced like H. Remember? You pronounce it as H in English. So if he has fatha, we pronounce it as, good job, ha, ha. Okay, but if he has kasra underneath it, how we pronounce it again? Try to say it. Good job. He. Okay, what about he with dhamma? Beautiful. Who. Let's say it together again. He with fatha. Ha. He with kasra. He. He with dhamma. Who. Let's review again. Ha. He. Who. One more time. Ha. He. Who. Anyone remember what letter is this? Good job. Wow. Remember, we can pronounce it as W or O or WOW, but you pronounce it like wow. Wow. Okay, so if I add fatha to the wow, how should I pronounce it? I just said it. Wa. Because I add A to the pronunciation of wow. Wa. What about wow with kasra underneath it? It will be, try to say it with me. We. It's almost like W-E. We. What about wow with dhamma on the top? Woo. Let's try again. Wow with fatha. Good job. Wa. Wow with kasra. We. Wow with dhamma. Woo. Wa. We. Woo. One more time. Wa. We. Woo. What letter is this? We all should know it. It's the last one in our beautiful Arabic language. Yes, I hear you. It's yeah. Good job. If I add fatha to the yeah, how you pronounce it? Yes, like Y plus A. So it will be yeah. Okay. Yeah with kasra underneath it will be, good job, Yee. What about yeah with dhamma? Yeah with dhamma will be you. So yeah with fatha. Yeah. And by the way, in Arabic, when you say yeah, it's almost like you are calling someone. So if your friend name is Ellen, and you want to call her to come over here, you say, yeah, Ellen, come over here. So remember, yeah, ye, you. One more time. يا يي you